our new feature.
Absolutely.
Profiling people in New York who do nice things for other people. You see Wendy Williams, you know her, of course. Right next to her is Jasmine Ramos. She is the senior associate producer on The Wendy Williams Show. She's a very talented TV professional. In her spare time, she does something remarkable for people in our community. She visits, well, older New Yorkers, perhaps in their 80s, 90s. And what does she do? She does their nails. She gives them manicures for free. And people love it. We're just thrilled that now our new series has started. We're meeting Jasmine, and she's going to tell us all about what she does. Jasmine Ramos, welcome to Good Day New York.
Thank you so much for having me here. It's such a pleasure to be here. I'm big fans of both of you.
Oh, thank you.
How did it start?
Okay, so I started Polish Angels because I wanted to give back to the seniors in my community. So I took it upon myself to book an event at Bronxwood Nursing Home, which happens to be around my neighborhood, to offer free manicures to the seniors. The funny thing is, they originally scheduled me to be there from 2 to 5 p.m., but I stayed until 10 p.m. because all the seniors wanted to get their nails painted, and I didn't want to exclude anyone. And for me, it's my way of doing God's work on earth, and I also feel as though the seniors deserve to be pampered because they're often forgotten, and I'm here to celebrate them.
Beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. How long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for about, I want to say, 8 months now.
8 months. And it makes you feel great, makes them feel great.
It makes me feel amazing, and it makes them feel wonderful as well.
You got to spend some money doing this, though, right? Is it getting a little costly?
It does get a little costly from here to there because it does involve me, you know, purchasing nail polishes as well as goodie bags, because I also distribute goodie bags to the seniors after every manicure, so this way they can paint their own nails in their spare time. So this goodie bag is filled with polishes, candy, nail filers, you know, all the works.
Jasmine, are you at just one nursing home, or have you started to branch out to other facilities?
No, I go to various locations here in New York as well as New Jersey. I want to try to go to like at least every nursing home here in New York as well as New Jersey, so this way I can kind of provide a service to the seniors everywhere.
Jasmine, if you can't do this, we understand, but is there a way anybody can get a hold of you if they have perhaps a community center where they would love for you to drop by?
Of course, yes. I have a website called polishangels.com.
Polishangels.com.
Yep. And I also have an email address that's on the website as well. So if anyone wants me to be there to offer, you know, manicures to seniors at their location, they can reach out to me via my website.
Very cool. I'm in need of an immediate manicure.
I've noticed.
I've never
I gotta hook you up.
In my entire life, I've never had a manicure. I mean, these are stubs. These are the worst thing. I'm kind of embarrassed by them. I bite my nails, too.
Do you, Greg?
I know.
Stop.
It's terrible, right?
No.
And I'm told that you see the nice mosquito bite. I know the whole hand needs a makeover.
No, you have to groom your nails, Greg.
All right.
Come see me later. I'll take care of you.
I had my first on my birthday in March, the very first time. You know, all these 40+ years, so we're in the same boat. You know, but it's the very first time.
Jasmine, how's Wendy?
I love Wendy. Working at the Wendy Williams Show is awesome. I mean, it's the best job ever. Wendy's a great boss. She always offers me great advice. She constantly encourages me to strive for the best. And I'm really looking forward to season 6, September 15th, here on Fox.
Yeah.
Very cool. We'll give her our best. And,
I will.
Stay in touch. Jasmine Ramos. This is great stuff. Again, polishangels.com?
Yes, polishangels.com. Actually, my nails were done by Mr. Lewis.
Yeah, check this out.
He's located in New Jersey.
Ooh, a different Lewis.
They're fancy. Not Antoine Lewis, but Mr. Lewis, a different Lewis. And these are here, you know, they've got a little crescent moon over here and some stones.
Very fancy.
Very fancy.
It's kind of like Wendy's.
This is my way of expressing myself. So I feel like my nails allow me to express myself without even speaking, because once you see my nails, you know I have a fun, bubbly personality.
Okay.
Well, we knew that. Yeah. Really, your hands have nothing to do with it. In my humble opinion, your hands have, you know what I mean?
Really smile.
Right.
Thank
It's
you
all
so
you,
much.
Jasmine.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right, good stuff.